Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the driveline. Check clutch free play and engine idle, then choose low range and low splitter so you have full spread. Depress the clutch firmly and select first gear. You want smooth engagement, not a grind. Apply throttle to raise RPM to a level that will accept the gear. This is why you modulate revs before letting the clutch out. Once you feel the driveline pick up, ease the clutch gradually while increasing throttle to move off without load shock. You now move through the middle sequence, double clutch or single clutch depending on synchros, but always match revs. When shifting, depress the clutch, move the lever to the next gear, then toggle the splitter, low then high to add the half step and smooth torque change. For the range shift, make sure engine RPM and load are steady. Press the range selector while clutched, move to the next gear, then release. This two-stage approach reduces wear and keeps acceleration consistent under varying loads. You complete the sequence by progressing into high range and the high splitter so you're in the top gears. Hold a steady cruise RPM to avoid hunting. When you need to stop, downshift progressively, clutch fully, then set neutral and apply parking brake to secure the truck. If a gear grinds, don't force it. Clutch in, pause, match revs, and retry. Repeated grinding means check linkage, synchronge, or splitter mechanism. This troubleshooting tip prevents damage and gets you back to smooth shifts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.